Have you ever wondered what the most expensive sunglasses in the world look like? Today we are diving into high-end eyewear that is treated more like fine jewelry than a daily accessory. These are the ultimate status symbols crafted for luxury collectors. Taking the #1 spot are the Chopard de Rigo Vision sunglasses. Designed by Switzerland's Chopard and de Rigo Vision, these will cost you anywhere from $400,000 to $700,000. Why? They feature 51 round diamonds set in 24-karat white gold frames. Have you ever wondered what luxury looks like on your face? Today we're looking at the most expensive sunglasses ever made. First up, Dolce & Gabbana's DG 2027B, priced at over $383,000, famous for their diamond-encrusted frames. Then there are the Scheels Jewelers Emerald sunglasses. Valued at $200,000, they boast actual emerald lenses. The diamond-covered frame took a staggering 5 years to craft, making it a true masterpiece of jewelry. For fans of iconic designs, the Cartier Panthère starts at $159,000, embodying ultimate luxury. And the Clichy Gold 18-karat gold Sport are marketed as the most expensive sports sunglasses at $120,000. Which of these would you wear? Thanks for watching this journey through opulence. Like and subscribe for more. Welcome to the world of ultimate luxury, where eyewear becomes wearable art. In 2024, the high-end sunglasses market is soaring to new heights. From solid gold frames to rare gems, these aren't just accessories, they are status symbols for the global elite. Today, we're counting down the most expensive sunglasses on the planet. Get ready for some serious sparkle. Leading the pack is the legendary Chopard de Rigo Vision, valued at a staggering $400,000. Crafted from 60 grams of 24-karat gold, these shades are a masterpiece of Swiss and Italian collaboration. The true showstoppers are the 51 river diamonds, totaling 4 carats, set using a unique carpet technique. This method maximizes brilliance by hiding the metal between stones, creating a seamless field of fiery light. Next up is the Dolce & Gabbana DG 2027B, coming in at over $383,000. These oversized aviators feature the iconic D&G logo prominently on the temples, encrusted in brilliant diamonds. While standard versions are much more accessible, this bespoke diamond edition is a true six-figure luxury item. It remains one of the most prestigious pairs of sunglasses ever created by the Italian fashion powerhouse. For something truly unique, look at the Scheels Jewelers Emerald sunglasses, priced at $200,000. Instead of glass, these feature lenses made from real emeralds, a process that took 5 years to source and polish. Inspired by the Roman Emperor Nero, these emerald lenses are housed in a solid 18-karat gold frame. Additional diamond accents ensure that these sunglasses are as valuable as they are historically inspired. No luxury list is complete without Cartier. Their Panthère glasses are valued at $159,000. The white gold frames feature the iconic panther motif, encrusted with over 500 diamonds and sapphires. Symbolizing power and feline elegance, these custom-ordered pieces are the pinnacle of high jewelry eyewear. Rounding out our list are the Luxuriator Canary diamond glasses at $65,000. Featuring pave diamonds and 18-karat gold plating, they are followed by the Bulgari Flora at $59,000. Adorned with diamonds, sapphires, and aquamarines, these prices are driven by precious stones, gold, and pure brand exclusivity. Which of these diamond-encrusted shades would you wear if you had the budget? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury deep dives. See you in the next one.